setup, right? You can, for example, I started this system and you just feel that my hard disk was almost full, right? So if you have 80 GB space in a C drive or something like that, nowadays this price increase in all the systems. But if you have less number of space, this doesn't occupy that much space. And with respect to the other softwares, like you know MATLAB. Anyone of you know MATLAB? MATLAB covers it? Yeah, good. So you just observe MATLAB software occupy at least 3 to 4 GB space in your system once you install it. And once it's occupied 3 to 4 GB space, it obviously takes more time to run because it's a very huge. For example, like क्या पेन में आई थी क्या ऊपर नीचे और तो मुख नीचे how much easy to and then go क्या डायस पे मार क्या मुख नीचे how much easy which one is convenient? Obviously pen is convenient. So this is look like that. The GeoZebra is a very handy tool, right? It's a very complex setup. You can say 50 MB set. Whereas MATLAB or Mathematica or Maple, right? These all tools which I am talking about, these all doing the same thing which we can do with the GeoZebra. यहाँ पे GeoZebra नहीं करवाना चाहिए. ये वस्तु MATLAB में बनता है, Mathematica होता है, Maple में बनता है, and there are load for such kind of softwares. But these all softwares are more than 1 GB, even Sage, right? These all softwares are more than 1 GB. And this is of 50 MB. Now which one convenient that you know very well, isn't it? So that's what one advantage of GeoZebra we have. This is very nice. Recently we need the touch, right? Because our laptop are touch sensitive. Our mobiles are we are operating on touch keypad, right? So once we have this facility, whenever GeoZebra works in that direction, the answer is yes. If you want to zoom, you just do like this, you will get the zoom graph. If you want to just zoom out, you will get do like this, you will get the zoom out of the graph. Once you have this kind of facility, that is available in this GeoZebra. So this is only available in GeoZebra, not in other setups, right? So this is one advantage, and that's why due to this facility, this works on mobiles. How many of you are using Android mobile? Almost all. That means you can work with the GeoZebra on your mobile, right? Wherever you need a graph, you can draw your whatever graph, kind of graph you need, you can draw on your mobile, and you can observe the behavior of the graph. So that's why this is another way to get handy tool of the GeoZebra. Is that okay? So these are few advantages you have of GeoZebra. Last advantage I can say, this is a freeware. You don't want to pay anything because we are always habitual to buffer key, isn't it? So this is the freeware. You don't want to pay. If you want some extraordinary things, or if you want to use this in a mass, then I want to purchase. Otherwise, there is no license. You don't want to purchase. You don't want to give the license, right? So this is another advantage of GeoZebra, I can say. Otherwise, if you think about again MATLAB or Maple or Mathematica kind of software, these are huge enough. Not only that, the amount is also huge. You can see if you are going to purchase MATLAB, you have to pay near about 6 to 7 lakh. How much? 6 to 7 lakh. And then you will get a 4 GB space you want to occupy in your PC, and then you will get whatever you want. And here we are using the freeware. There is nothing more. I am using the 50 MB space. Or I can use nothing, not a space even. Like as I told you, it's interactive. You have just you want just internet facility. If you have internet facility in your mobile, go to the GeoZebra website, log in, and do whatever you want. There is no space required, right? So these are major advantages of GeoZebra we have, and that's why we can go for this GeoZebra easily, and we can post it for more things. Now, if there are some advantages, there are some disadvantages as well. Otherwise, that will become complete. But this is not clause again complete. So I can say you cannot make such kind of written programming in a GeoZebra like this kind of facility available in MATLAB or Maple or Mathematica. Right? There you can program as you wish, but here you cannot program like as you wish. That is the one disadvantage I can say. not disadvantage for the software, it is disadvantage for us, right? So that is what one have, and otherwise in a 50 MB space you cannot program even, that is obvious, right? So that is one thing, and there are very less number of shortcuts available in this, right? Once we are using some softwares, we need more and more shortcuts, but here there are some shortcuts available, but very less shortcuts. That is what one thing we have disadvantage. Not more than that, but disadvantage we can avoid as far as the advantages is concerned, or whenever comparison is concerned, right? So this is what we have a simple thing about this ZeoZebra. Now this ZeoZebra has a various tools to deal with various geometric structures. First of all, ગુજરાતીમાં જ્યારે હું બોલતો હોય ના સમજાય તો ગુજરાતીમાં પૂછવા માટે છૂટ છે, બરાબર? So I hope you will not get bored with that particular. એટલે મને ટેવાયેલો નથી ગુજરાતીમાં બોલવાની. But then if you are not getting, you can raise your hand and you can stop, right? I will try. Maximum પ્રયત્ન કરીશ કે ગુજરાતી બોલી શકું, પણ બધું નહીં બોલી શકું, right? And whenever I am doing this kind of thing, I can in general. So ultimately, the first tools I can say about geometry. There are a lot more, as I told you, there are a lot more tools available in ZeoZebra software. I will display that, what kind of display you are getting, and then you will get a lot more tools over there. So out of these tools, there are few tools of geometry. There are few tools of algebra, right? That deal with the algebra, that deal with the geometry. So there are various subjects covered by GeoZebra nowadays. So the dynamic version of GeoZebra provides lot more advanced tools which deal with various fields of the mathematics, right? So I just tell you one by one. So the geometry, in a geometry, if you want to draw a triangle, you can draw. If you want to draw a straight line, there is no issue. If you want to draw just point, you can. And not only that, if you want to get the dimension, you want to get the length, you want to get an area, volume, whatever, three-dimensional figures, you will get this three-dimensional figure also in this GeoZebra, right? So if you want flip top, heading top, everything will be done. Now in algebra, what usually we are getting? In algebra, what they are doing? It's a beej ganit. What does it mean, beej? Root. That kind of mathematics, that is algebra, right? So we are able to find here root of any kind of polynomial or function using these tools, right? So algebra providing such kind of facility to calculate the roots, factorize a polynomial, and so on and so forth. So the next tools are calculus and statistics. In calculus, what they mean as usually? Calculus માં શું કરો છો? એ તો ગુજરાતી નામ પડશે. કલનશાસ્ત્ર. એના ગુજરાતી નહીં આવડે. So what they are doing in calculus? Calculus માં શું કરો છો? Yes, anyone? What do you do in calculus? Differentiation, integration, limit. Are you doing this kind of thing? Yes or no? So that's what calculus is. So in calculus, we are calculating the differentiation, integration, and so on and so forth. So that can be done with this software. You can find a differentiation, you can find integration. Not only to find differentiation and integration, you will get the geometric interpretation of these particular things. That is the advantage, right? To find derivative, to find integration is not a big deal. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? To find derivative or to find integration is not a big deal. You will get this kind of thing lot more places. Or there are lot more tools available to get derivative or integration. But what is the major advantage of GeoZebra here is in the calculus that you can get the geometric interpretation of the derivative, geometric interpretation of the integration, whatever you have. Isn't it? So that is what you can get from here. And the statistical tools, those who are from the statistic breakdown, they may know that there are a lot more things available in the statistic. There are a lot more software available in the statistic. But here, This also compatible with the statistics, Microsoft Excel. You can directly get the data from Microsoft Excel. You can catch it. You just analyze it. You will get a bar chart. You will get a plotter chart, right? And you will get its analysis also, right? So this kind of tools are available for statistics in this particular GeoZebra. Now, as I told you, you can access on website, that is web-based GeoZebra, and the second is installation type. So either you go for a web-based GeoZebra, then you want to log in on this site, right? And you will get direct access of GeoZebra. Second way is to download the setup, that is a near about 50 MB setup from this website, and you install in your PC and run it. That is the second option to get the access of ZeoZebra, right? Now our roll start. That's it. Even you just search out GeoZebra in Google, you will get everything. Don't worry, right? GeoZebra, anyway, you just search out GeoZebra, you will get all the information about this. Is it okay? Now, as we need how to use ZeoZebra, right? We need to understand how to use ZeoZebra. Otherwise, we know everything about GeoZebra, but how to use if we don't know, then it's nothing for us. આપણે કઈ નથી એનું નોંધ નથી, right? આપણે એના વિશે બહુ સારા સારા ગુણ સાંભળ્યા હોય, આપણે કઈ કામમાં ના આવે તો it's nothing, huh? It's a similar thing for the GeoZebra. You need to know how to implement it, how to implement your idea or requirement, how to get your requirement from this software, right? So let's try one by one from our software. So once you install, you will get this kind of icon in your desktop, right? As a point, and there is an arc joining that point, and that kind of logo is there. It's a geometric structure, I can say, right? So once you double click or enter, you will get the access of GeoZebra. So full thing, right? This kind of screen you are getting. Now, in this particular screen, you see this. This is menu bar. As usual, in each and every software you are getting menu bar. The second thing is the toolbar, right? Here are all the tools available. As I mentioned, I want to do this, you can do from that, right? All the facilities, all the information are available here. This is the algebra bar tool, or algebra menu, I can say. It's algebra menu, right? Whatever you are doing here, this algebraic structure you will get here. Suppose I draw a line, I will get equation of line here. I draw a point, I will get location of that point is here. Are you getting my point? Suppose I put here one point. What is the point? 0, 0. I will get here 0, 0. It's a representation of algebraic representation, I can call it. Right? So whatever you are doing in this screen, this is the graphics screen or graphics view. Right? So whatever you are doing over here, it's algebraic structure you will get over here. Right? So, हमारी faculties के अंदर बड़ा students हैं. How many of you are faculty? One. बाकी बड़ा students. Good. And all are from mathematics backgrounds or any other background? अगर mathematics ना चाहिए, लिया वैसा भी काम. All are from mathematics? Yes. Then I will just talk about mathematics. Otherwise, I can give you the idea of chemistry structure, physical structure also. Right? You will get all kind of structures over GeoZebra. It's not for only mathematics. Let me tell you. If you want to prepare a engineering, you can get it here. So it's not a critical issue. So once we have the masses of mathematics, I am going to talk about mathematics. right? So let's see. Let's begin with this screen and structure. Geometry માં સૌથી પહેલા તમે ભણતા હોય તો શું ભણો? સર્કલ. બહુ આગળ જાય.
Point.
Right? Yeah, right. Point. It's a point. Bindu. Isn't it? So if you are talking about point, then you can go for circle is a infinite even points. It's a collection of infinite even points with the satisfying certain condition. Right? So I am talking about point right now. So there is one simple menu for the point. This is A dot. That's it. Readable to everyone? At the web stage? Clear? Good. So here is the point. It's a tool to express the points in the various ways. You just click here as a down arrow, arrow. Once you click that arrow, you will get lot more tools available here regarding the point only. This is simple point. Just point. That's all. This is point on object. You select an object and you drop a point. You will get a point over there. Third thing is attach and detach point. That's the correspondence between the graphing and the point, right? Then you have an intersection of two objects and you want to find the intersection point, right? That can be done easily. We'll see one by one. This is the midpoint. If you have a 2 point, I want to find a midpoint, I can easily determine, right? Then you have a complex number. I want to represent. See, you know very well this is R2 representation. Does it know? X-axis and Y-axis. Both are real numbers. Right? So I can say R cross R, that is R2. So R2 is similar as a complex plane. Except one thing. Do you know very well? Yes or no? R2 and C. They will get product for C. R2 is something. Actually, what is it? So difference. Imaginary part. R2 imaginary part. What is the difference between R2 and C? If I write
in real y-axis represent real points and in for complex y-axis represent complex
number. Okay. So I can say each and every point is a complex number. I can say this real number is also complex number. R is a subset of C. You are not wrong. All real numbers are complex numbers. Yes or no? So if I say this is R cross R, R is a subset of R2. Obviously, R is a subset of C also. So it is very critical that I can represent each and every point as a part of the complex plane. Now, what is the basic difference? I can say I want to represent this in R2. I represent that is 0, 1. R2 also 0, 1. In a complex plane, I1. That is the way of representation. Nothing else. Ali rakwana rasto badla hai. Yes or no? If I want to represent this point, I will represent 2, 1 in R2 and in complex plane 2 plus I. That is the way of writing, nothing else. खाली अलग-अलग लिखते हैं ना वो नहीं अलग ना पड़ी तो बढ़िया समझे नहीं मुझे बोल if you are writing in a different way it doesn't mean these two are different so there is only one difference you can make in a complex plane in R2 that is in multiplication. Both are vector space, but one is a vector space with the usual dot product multiplication, right? And the second one has a different kind of multiplication that is complex multiplication. So that is the only difference you can make between two space I am talking about. Otherwise these two are equal. So the way of representation may be different. So here the complex number has a different way of representation that is A plus I. X plus I y. So that kind of representation you need when you just click here. You will get that kind of representation. A plus I b. Otherwise you will get A comma b. Right? So that is the only difference between this and that point. Now we have extremum. That means extremum means what? Extremum. Extremum of curve. What does it mean? What were the persons? We have studied that. Yes? What does it mean? Extremum. Extremum extreme. चलो extreme नो meaning करो. Extreme. Highest अथवा तो
Top.
lowest. Maximum अथवा तो minimum. That is the extremum. Yes or no? The either highest or lowest. That is the extremum. Isn't it? So if you want to minimize or maximum, if you want to find minimum of function, maximum of the function, that means you are extremizing the function. You are finding the extremum points, and that can be done by this way also. Now roots. Roots means what? Intersection with point of plot of point that we plot. This is one point. I just selected a point, nothing else. Right? Once I click on that, I will get a selection. And I just put here anywhere. Suppose I put here, what I get? This is the point which I plot. And just observe here. Right? 5, 4. Is it the location? So I get the location as algebraic way. I get the location as geometric way. Isn't it? Simultaneously, if you don't want to write this algebra, I can. How about it? If you want that,